So, in this lecture, we would like to discuss the leftover MACT cases. So, what is MACT? MACT stands for Motor Accident Claims Tribunal. It is a quasi-judicial body that deals with cases related to motor vehicle accidents and the compensation to be paid for the damage caused. So, Motor Vehicle Accident Claim Tribunal in that particular case decides compensation is awarded to the injured on the legal representatives of the victim. And as regarding the claimants, the injured legal representatives of the deceased, authorized agents, and the owner of damaged property can file an application for compensation. And as such, the very limitation period for filing a claim petition is 6 months from the date of accident, and the police are required to prepare an accident information report. The registering authority is required to furnish details of the vehicle involved in the accident. So, would like to discuss certain features of the MACT Motor Accident Claim Tribunal. So the very provision regarding this, the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 is a comprehensive legislation with the aim of enhancing road safety. It also serves the aim of welfare legislation by providing for compensation in case of loss of life or limb due to accident by automobiles. So Section 2, subsection 30 of the Act defines who is the owner. Owner is the individual in whose name a motor vehicle stands registered, and where such person may be a minor, the guardian of such minor, and in reference to motor vehicle which is the subject of hire purchase agreement or an agreement of lease or an agreement of hypothecation, the person in possession of the vehicle under the particular agreement. Motor accident claim tribunals as quasi-judicial bodies affect claims concerning loss of life, property, and injury cases resulting from motor accidents. The claims are to be directly filed in concerned motor accident claim tribunal. The judicial officers from the judicial services, either of higher judicial services or of high court, preside over the motor accident claim tribunals. Motor accident claims in India refer to compensation claims made by victims of road accidents resulting from the fault of another party. The process of making a motor accident claim in India involves in filing a claim with Motor Accident Claims Tribunal. So under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal has jurisdiction over all motor accidents that occur within its territorial limits and has the power to award compensation to the victims or their legal heirs, to make a motor accident claim in India, the victim or the legal heir must file a claim with the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal within 2 years from the date of the accident. The claim must be accompanied by relevant evidence such as police reports, medical bills, and witness statements to establish the fault of the other party and the extent of damage they suffered. The compensation awarded by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal can cover various expenses such as medical expenses, loss of income, and pain and suffering. The compensation amount is determined based on various factors such as the nature and extent of the injury, the age of the victim, and the duration of the disability. Having a specialist motor accident, and in regard to that, making a motor accident claim in India can be a complex and time consuming process. So, all claims in relation to motor accident claim tribunal as provided under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 must let before the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal, as it is a quasi-judicial body that deals with cases related to vehicle accidents and the compensation. So, it deals with cases related to vehicle accident, including cases of death or injury caused by accident. So, one can claim for compensation in Motor Accident Claim Tribunal, and as such, if anyone suffered any injury or loss due to a motor vehicle accident, and so also there are the provisions that a motor vehicle accident case can be settled out of court if both parties agree on a mutually acceptable compensation amount. In such cases, the claimant can withdraw their claim from the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal. So one can appeal against the decision of the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal in a higher court, and in especially in the High Court. So all this relates to about the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal cases. So the very jurisdiction, and as such, as we have discussed regarding the very constitution and the jurisdiction of motor accident claim tribunals as provided under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. And in that connection, we would like to discuss certain cases and which were finalized by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, and in particularly those list of cases decided by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal. So, in that case, the very parties, and in regards to that, we would like to discuss a case of 2023, and which is in between the Go Digital General Insurance Company Limited versus Kiran Das, where the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal awarded a compensation amount of 2 lakh on 2024, and also another important MACT case, that is in between Go Digit General Insurance Company Limited and the versus Jaipur Ahmed, where the compensation amount awarded on the 5th of February 2024 around whereas 3,65,000, and in another important leading case filed in 2023, the MACT in the leading case Go Digit General Insurance Company Limited versus Asim Kumar Dev awarded a compensation amount of 3,50,000 on February 5, 2024. And another important leading case decided why the MACT is in between Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company Limited versus Ramdhar Gaur, Ram Shankar Gaur, and Sam Sundar Gaur, where the compensation amount was awarded 2,64,855 rupees on 19th February 2024. And another important leading case decided by the MACTs in between Reliance General Insurance Company Limited versus Sanjay Kumar Chakravarti, where the MACT awarded a compensation amount of rupees 1,33,027 rupees on the same 19th February 2024. And another important leading case that we would like to discuss of the year 2023 decided by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal is in between Oriental Insurance Company Limited versus Arun Shukla Vaidya, where the compensation amount was awarded on 20th February 2024 around the amount of rupees 1,27,000. And also we'll discuss another important case decided why the MACT is in between Reliance General Insurance Company Limited versus Tulsi Sinha and Chandra Kumar Sinha, and that was awarded on 21st February 2024, and the amount of compensation was 16 lakh rupees. And also another MACT case that was in between New India Assurance Company Limited versus Uttam Namsudra, where on 28th February 2024 the compensation amount awarded was Rs 99,000 rupees. And also another important leading case, and that is between New India Assurance Company Limited versus Nandlal Goswami, where on 28th February the MACT Tribunal awarded a rupees of 2,50,000, and we would like to discuss some other leading cases also decided by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunals, and that was a case of 2022 in between National Insurance Company Limited versus Islamuddin and HUBB, where the compensation amount was awarded in 2023 around Rs 10 lakh. So also in another important leading case of 2022 in between National Insurance Company Limited versus Gabriel Surrey, where the amount was awarded rupees 2,30,000 in the year 2023. So also another important leading case of 2022, and the very compensation was awarded by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal was in between National Insurance Company Limited versus Anup Kumar Dev, and the very compensation amount was rupees 2 lakh. And also we would like to discuss another important leading case of 2022 in between National Insurance Company Limited versus Jairani Paul and Prashant Paul, and that was also decided, and the compensation amount was awarded in 2023, and the very amount was rupees 10 lakh. And now we'll discuss another important judgment and compensation awarded by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, and that is HDFC Ergo General Insurance Company Limited versus Reshma Begum, Mayunni Vivi, Samat Udin, and Josna Begum, and the very amount awarded as the very compensation amount awarded in 2023 constituting rupees 11 lakh 10,000. And also we would like to discuss some other important judgments, and all of 2022 the compensation were awarded by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal. So one is Chulu MS General Insurance Company Limited versus Naimuddin, where the compensation amount was rupees 40,000, and in another case Chulu MS General Insurance Company Limited versus Kharuddin, the amount of compensation was rupees 70,000, and again also in Chulu MS General Insurance Company Limited versus Kamruddin, the amount of compensation was rupees 40,000, and also in Chulu General Insurance Company Limited versus Rukia Begum Chowdhury, where the amount of compensation was of rupees 1,50,000. And besides that, another two important leading cases of 2021, one is in between Chulu's General Insurance Company Limited versus Aziruddin Khan, where the amount of compensation was arrest 4,50,000, and in another case of 2021 in between Chulu's MS General Insurance Company Limited versus Rumi Begum Chowdhury Abdul Wahidi Chowdhury, who had the compensation amount why the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal was 4,20,000. And now we want to discuss some other important pleading cases of 2018 and 2017. Again, in 2018, the case was in between Chulu MS General Insurance Company Limited versus Fazur Rahman, where the amount of compensation was at 60,000, and in the 2000 case, also in between Chulu MS General Insurance Company Limited versus Abdul Mutab, where the amount of compensation was 13 lakh, and all these important leading cases were decided by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal, and all these cases are decided by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal, and also the very compensation amounts awarded by the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal. So, in spite of that, as already we have discussed, the very provisions of appeal is available in case